It's a windy day outside. What should I do? Aha! Let's hunt some toy planes. Let's go. Can you find the first plane? Where is it? Not there. Where could it be? Oh, it's that one. It's a fighter aircraft. The color is orange and the glass is silver. Okay, let's put it in the bucket. Now let's find the second toy. Where could it be? Oh, there it is. It's a toy helicopter. It's on the swing. And the color is black and white and blue. I like it. It's awesome. Now let's put on the bucket. There we go. Okay, now let's find the other toy. Where could it be? It's supposed to be somewhere near here. Maybe. Oh, what is that? It's another toy plane. The color is red, blue, and white and orange. That's cool. Let me put in the bucket. Okay guys, now let's continue find the other ones. Okay, let's see. Is it somewhere near here? It's supposed to be. Not there. Maybe not on top there. It's too hard to find. Not even over there. Oh, what is that? Is that a frog? Oh, no, this is a toy plane. A toy biplane. The color is blue, green, and white, and orange and yellow. This is my favorite. I like it. Let's see, is there any other toys here? Maybe no? Let's try to see. Let's try to find. Is there any here? Whoa, bananas! I like bananas. That's green, but not yet bright. What is that? A red and white toy helicopter. Okay, and also color pink. Not that bad. I'm so lucky today. Okay guys, let's continue. But before that, I want to wash my hands first. My hands is quite dirty. Oh, what is that? There is a toy truck and with a helicopter on it. Cool. The fire truck color is red and the helicopter color is blue and white. Wow. Nice. Not here. Where could it be? Oh, it's a coin. I found a coin. This is mine now. I'm going to buy some snacks later. Not there. Where is it? Wait, what is that? A toy? It's a plane. Maybe the plane fell down here. The color is orange and white and black. I like it. Time to put in the bucket. Okay, let's move on. Where is it now? Not over there. Not over there. Where could it be? Not over there. Oh, there it is. It's an aircraft. The color is blue and yellow. Cool. Let me put it inside. We didn't find a plane twice. Where it is now? It's supposed to be somewhere near here. Or maybe we went to the wrong way. Wait, what is that? Finally, we found another plane. The color is red, blue, green, white, so many colors. That's cool. I think this is the same as like the one before. Let's put in the bucket. Wait, it's really the same. Yep. Okay. Okay guys, this is the last one. If we didn't find it, will be 9. But when we found it, it will be the 10. And the last one. Okay, let's find it. Where could it be? Oh! What is that? The toy plane! Finally! Oh no, it's broken. Yep, but still we found the last one. The color is blue, white, and also other decorations. Oh, also gray, and it's big. Excellent. Let's put it in the bucket. I think it will fit or not. Not really, but still, we got the biggest one. Oh, no. Okay, it's time for us to count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. That's enough for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!